What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ferris Z1. Go Lawn Care, checking in with another one. Just got done cleaning both my mowers. I got the bad boy back by Tuesday this week. I cleaned the bad boy before, but it's my first time really like trying to like degrease it and stuff like that. I put some super clean on it, let it sit for a while, and I just put the pressure washer on it to knock the dirt off. Look a lot better. I don't look bad now. 2 years old motor. 2 years old, looking real good. I'm gonna paint these. I turn to paint though. I'm gonna paint those. Saying that, paint that. I forgot to paint when I went to I ain't went to the parts store today, but I'm gonna get some paint. I ain't with the bad boy, but I'm just gonna paint it orange. I want it all to be nice and orange. I don't know why these turn. I guess because these are always facing the sun, but these turn pink. The top of these turn pink. Excuse me. I would put a camera myself, but I ain't got a shirt on. Cause down south it get hot early. We don't like wearing shirts. So yeah, clean this side here. I ain't took a rag and just wipe every little thing, but as you can see, it's a lot cleaner. It's way cleaner than what it was. So I need to wipe this down though with a rag, some kind of moisture for black. I need to wipe that down. But of course, this seat brand new. I could tell you about the seat. The seat brand new. My seat broke last season, like the beginning of the season. I never fixed it, and this year I decided to fix it because my lawnmower is under warranty. It's only 140 hours, 130 hours on this lawnmower. So it's still in for 4 years. So it's still in a warranty. It's a 4-year warranty with like 500 hours. So I haven't put that many hours on here yet. I cleaned the inside the bay and all that. Like I said, I didn't get no rag and get down inside there, but I sprayed super clean and put the pressure washer on it because it's gonna get dirty. So at the end of the day, you're not gonna keep this stuff spick and span. I could spick and span. Also, this thorough wash like this will probably only happen like 4 times this whole season. I'm be honest. It'd be a lot of other times. What I'll do is I'll just come out here with the pressure washer and just knock the dirt off, or the water hose to knock the dirt off. As far as me just putting the grease on it and all this right here, just probably 4 times a season for me. Cause they're gonna get dirty, man. I live in the South, man. I cut all kind of stuff, so I just gonna get dirty. The wheels, But yeah. That's pretty much done. You see, I done did all my stuff, maintenance, filter, fuel filter, oil change, oil filter. The only thing I had to do is grease. I got the grease, but I don't have grease, so that's why I haven't even used the lawnmower since I got it back. I had it back for a week now, but I haven't used it for one. I've been loving using the Ferris, but for two, I want mine used on my bigger properties, but it has to be greased. I'm not even going to use it until I grease it. You know what I'm saying? It needs to be greased. I haven't greased it since last season, so I'm not even, you know what I'm saying? So other than that, this lawnmower good to go. It just needs grease. This lawnmower is ready to go. Whatever you want to say, it's ready. It's just ready. Now the Ferris got a little dirty yesterday. I had a leaf job. I ain't gonna lie. I've been mainly using this for leaf jobs. I ain't gonna front. But I really could use these jobs now because I got the Green Guard quick shoot on the Ferris Z1 36-inch stand-up commercial. So, and I would say I was the same motor, but it's not. This is a FX 600, 19 horsepower. I'm pretty sure this is a 700. Yeah, 730. This is 730. This is 24 horsepower. I'm pretty sure this is 24 horsepower right here. So yeah, this is a stronger motor. But this is getting solid gates and stuff. So, like I said, I cleaned this up pretty good. It ain't spick and span, but I got all the leaves that was up inside there and all that, so it's looking pretty good. Yeah, that's what it is. I'm letting them dry off right now. But like I say, I'm about to go to Tractor Supply a little later and go grab some grease, and I need to grab some other weed control stuff that I heard about that I kind of want to try that I'm interested in. So, but and this more, I think only got like 3-something hours in it. Let me see. But I've been using this more since the season started. I have not even used that more one time. I've used that more one time, not one time since the season started. And I have 3.5 on here. So I haven't been doing a lot of cutting. It's a lot of just cleaning up. It ain't really been too much cutting. A little cutting here and there, but yeah. So yeah, man. Yeah, y'all know about this pressure washer. I done explained this pressure washer out so many times. This is the pressure washer that I built. The engine, the pump. I put it together. The cart. I built this engine. Nah, it wasn't my idea. I got it off a guy on YouTube. I'm sorry for not remembering his channel or his name, but if I do remember the channel, I probably will link it in the description of his channel and where I learned to build it from. Cause I like to give people credit. You know what I'm saying? I'm not taking the credit for this build. I just watched his video and I did step by step and I built it the same way he did. Except he didn't use no carts. I use a cart though. It's easier for me to drag around. But I got a pressure washing job coming up Monday. I got to cut the people grass and pressure wash the front of the house. So luckily, this is why I have my truck set up the way it's set up. See, I can put my water barrel, chemical barrel, pressure washing. My hose right here. So I'm gonna cut the grass first, get all that dust out the way, put everything back up. Once everything all nice and cut up and good, then I'm gonna go over here, cut on my pressure washer. All it's gonna be all set up already. You see, it's already set up, but I gotta do a little tweaks though, cause some stuff leaking here and there, and I don't like leaks. It's really annoying. I hate having leaks, but that's what it is though, man. So yeah, man, we got the 2 mowers out here, and we'll see what it's gonna do this season, man. Oh yeah, this is what I want to say too. Also, so I also want to say that I know if anybody watching the videos, they probably be on some things like thinking like, why does this guy got 2 brand new mowers? I started off with a used mower for the first 4 or 5 years of my career, and then I upgraded to a new mower. That's how I did it. Well, let me tell you, there's 1,000 ways to skin a cat. Speaking, you know what I'm saying? Not skinning the cat for real. But so if I don't know anything about lawnmowers, why would I go buy a used lawnmower that I gotta constantly keep putting in the shop and I don't know how to fix? You know what I'm saying? That doesn't make any sense at all. So like I told y'all before, I'm gonna always keep it 100. I'm never gonna lie to y'all. I'm never gonna sugarcoat nothing on my channel. I'm gonna keep it 100. I ain't gonna be like no other lawn guy like everything peaches and cream and it's not always that. I'm gonna keep it 100. If you want that real life, get it out the mud, start from nothing, this is it. If you want to see how somebody really come up, this is it. So the reason I chose to get brand new lawnmowers and another brand new lawnmower, even though this is number 2 years old, I got this lawnmower 2 weeks ago. The reason I did that is because, like I say, I don't know about fixing lawnmowers. I cut grass when I was 12 years old, 11 years old, might have been younger than that, twice, until I started cutting grass, my own grass. You know what I'm saying? And then I got into this field. But it ain't hard to learn how to cut grass though. Like, I'm just being real. It's not science. You know what I'm saying? So, but I know I ain't knew nothing about fixing mowers. I haven't been my mowers all my life like some of y'all. A lot of you guys had a leg up because you guys know somebody or work for a landscaping company. I never did none of that growing up. I worked, yeah. Other stuff, military, doing roofs, plumbing, maintenance, but I never did landscaping growing up. I've never did it growing up. Never cut grass growing up. So of course, I'm gonna go get a brand new mower with a warranty. So guess what? When something break, they can fix it. It's under warranty. That's why I went this way. I wasn't stupid. Yeah, I did in the beginning. I went and got me a used lawnmower, a used riding tractor lawnmower. And guess what? I never used it. I brought it 1 week and I sold it 2 weeks later. Because I realized it was just stupid. It made no sense. You know what I'm saying? Because when something break, and I got one lawnmower, it broke down, and I got all these clients. So what made more sense was to invest in 2 new lawnmowers because I don't know shit about, my bad, because I don't know nothing about a lawnmower. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I did what I did. You know, I can't explain why other people do what they do and the reason they do what they do. But I just knew I wanted something new and with warranties. And also, I'm that kind of person. I like new stuff. I don't care to buy used stuff. I will, trust me now. I got some Facebook market stuff inside here now. But most of my stuff, I say about 90% of my stuff is brand new. Warranty. Oh, I know it's going to last for a while. That's just me, though. I ain't saying everybody got to go my route. Because guess what? At the end of the day, I still came out the mud with a Monte Carlo and this push mower, like I show y'all every video. A push mower, this mower right here where I started from. And I got my Robbie, matter of fact, I'll show it to y'all. We don't even gotta do all this. I'm gonna show y'all. It's mind a mess. I ain't put my shade up yet, so it's very junky in here. I'm sorry, it's very junky. Dig up my shade, I'm gonna put it eventually. I started off with this Robbie trim in the Robbie weed whack in the corner. That's what I started with. That and that little lawnmower. So I don't care if anybody else talks smack about, oh, he got those 2 lawnmowers, he ain't got no clients. Actually, I do. I got more than enough clients to take care of these lawnmowers. Actually, my lawnmowers, and I don't care. I tell people, I don't even own my lawnmowers yet. But one thing about it, I promise you, both of these lawnmowers will be paid off in 2 months. I promise you. I will own them within no longer than 3 months from now. My word. In 3 months from now, you're going to see me make another video and say, yeah, I own my lawnmowers now. Because I didn't do what I had to do. All I got to do is make the money now. All I got to do is make the money now. That's it. I'm going to pay these lawnmowers off and I'm going to buy me an enclosed trailer at the end of the season. But anyway, though, I mean, that's my reasoning for getting a new lawnmowers, because I don't know nothing about maintenance. I'm learning. And so that's why I really, if something breaks, I can take it to the shop and I got a backup now. This breaks, I got that. That break, I got this. Both of them break, you ain't get your grass cut. Anyway, man, for Ready to Go Lawn Care, check it with another one. We out here, man.